So guys, first method, click to start and enter the services.msc. You can see, right click and run as administrator. After that, scroll down, otherwise you just press W, means Windows update. You can see Windows update, so this one, and just double click to open, and if it is started, so please stop. Okay, like that I show you. So like, select automatic and stop, then apply. Okay, and then open C drive, this PC, C drive, Windows, software, distributions, and then go to download. So this is your Windows updated cache, so need to delete all, select all and shift delete, and then hit OK to continue, and then close it. Then again start, and then OK. So again click to restart, and then close it. Then next method, disable antivirus and firewall temporary. So click to start, open the Windows security from here. If it is not show, so just click to start and type Windows security. You can see this one. Just click to OK, open. After that, full screen. Now you have just click like that, virus and threat protection. Scroll down, manage, off. Scroll down, all off. So this is temporary purpose. When you restart your system, it will start, it will on automatically. Okay, and then close it. Next method guys, open your this PC and make sure your space in your C drive minimum 20 GB. If your system low space, so updated file for Windows, it's not download and install, so please check the space also. And next, last and final method.
So guys, first method, click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is 4 command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%, then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete, then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this 4 command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.